We chose Bluebeam Revu because we never found any other products that can do what Bluebeam does. So it was a simple choice for us. My name's Mark Henry, and I'm a field engineer from McCarl's Incorporated in Beaver Falls, Pennsylvania.
My name's Bruce Bennett. I'm a construction manager from McCarl's Incorporated.
My name is Jim Cummings. I'm a fabrication draftsman here at McCarl's.
McCarl's is a mechanical contractor that's been in business since 1946. We started in the steel industry, we went to the power industry, and now the big industry in our area is gas and oil.
Our midstream customers have a commitment to the environment and to safety. Quality control is key. We have to create a quality control turnover package so that they can track the installation and the construction of their facilities so that if anything does happen, they can mitigate the problem before it becomes an even bigger problem.
Bluebeam has offered us the opportunity to track all of the material from beginning to end.
The certified mill test reports of every piece of pipe, every fitting, including flanges, when they were installed, when they were tightened, who tightened them, how tight did they tighten them.
Any and all materials, where it was made, who it came from. They want to know right down to the actual batch of steel that it was poured out of.
Our oil and gas customers prefer a digital turnover package because it's a searchable turnover package. It can be a hyperlinked turnover package. If there's a CMTR that comes into question, they can search the entire turnover package for that specific CMTR, and they will rapidly know every place that fitting with that heat number is used. We started with Bluebeam Revu in the quality control department. Since then, it has permeated so much of our company and become ubiquitous to the cause of becoming more efficient.
We get previously engineered drawings from our customer. We then take them, they come to us in a PDF. We take and use Bluebeam Revu to actually start to put our fabrication marks on them. The weld numbers, spool numbers, heat numbers, anything that we need to track or notes that we need to get out to the shop, we use in Bluebeam to put onto the drawings and issue them to the shop for fabrication. The biggest issue that we had before was we did all of our markups by hand. And you would have 3 or 4 reams of paper with just drawings stuffed in there. No way to find out what's the latest rev, what's the latest drawing you're working on. Bluebeam has enabled us to keep everything in one file folder, keep all of our markups sequenced. We can now know exactly what the last weld that we did on a drawing to be able to keep moving that number forward.
Each discipline can have their own custom tool set. The fab shop has their own custom tool set that they use for spool tracking, fab shop heat number tracking. Field engineering, we have our own custom tool set that has the special tools that we use when we're drawing the fabrication drawings for the fab shop.
We also use the markup summary at the bottom to create our traveler. That is one thing when I first got here. It was done on a separate sheet of paper in a separate program, and now we have since taken with Bluebeam Revu and added the traveler into our actual PDF and been able to print front and back with that information right on the drawing, and that's one less item that we have to track down, have to print out.
As far as job site document control, one thing that we've implemented with Bluebeam Revu is the use of the dashboard. The dashboard function is a game changer. This makes it easier for people to navigate the construction documents. They can go to the isometric drawing set, they can go to the quality control drawing set. ISOs are normally continued across a number of isometric drawings with references to the drawing that they're continued on. The batch hyperlink function can turn each one of those continuation references into a hyperlink to that next drawing. So it's simple to open one drawing and follow it completely through its flow to its termination point using hyperlinks. It's probably my favorite function in Bluebeam is batch hyperlink.
Since starting to use Bluebeam, we've become much more efficient in our ability to provide the owners with the required documentation for all the jobs we have performed for them. And it's really put us at the forefront of our competition.
We use it everywhere. We use it in fabrication. We use it in design, engineering. We use it in document control. We use it in estimating. We use it We use it everywhere. It's the simplest, easiest way to get an idea onto paper and into someone else's hands. I would like to see all contractors in construction, not just gas and oil, use Bluebeam Review. But until they do, the fact that we use Bluebeam Review gives us an advantage because it makes us more efficient, it makes us faster, it makes us more accurate.